Hi, welcome to UKFC TV. UKFC TV is a platform that provides you with information, healthy eating, physical activity, supplementary education, and discussion around current topics. Today, we'll be looking at healthy eating. My name is Tashi Naomi Jones, the proud owner of Caked It Baked It. But today, we will be looking at healthy eating and how you could swap from, regular unhealthy stuff, or just basically swapping from meat to plant-based. If you're ready, let's get started. So, what I've got here to share with you are some simple ways that you could switch from eating meat to plant-based, especially now in this month that is known as Veganuary. For example, you could easily swap from salmon to a tofu. And in coming weeks, we'll talk about how we could swap from a salmon to a tofu and bring you lovely, delicious treats on how to swap. Also, to go meat-free, you could look at this lovely jackfruit that is now a very popular trend in making meatless dishes. All right, if you're ready, let's get started on cooking. So, what we've got here, as I've said before, we're going to be switching from meat to meatless food. We've got here beef, regular minced beef. And what we will be doing today for you is to show you how you can switch to veggie mince, no meat. All right? What I've got also are all the stuff that I'll be using to cook. We've got chopped peppers, red peppers, and onions, chopped onions ready for you. We've got carrots that will be involved in the cooking. A little bit of tomato paste. And of course, our lovely ginger, among other things that you'll learn as we go along. Okay, so if you're ready, let's get the cooking started. So, what we're going to do is get starting by lighting the cooker. But first, let me put this meat away from our cooking today. All right, so be careful when you're lighting your cooker. Make sure that everything is out of the way. So now the cooker is light. And so we add, say, about a tablespoon of oil, tablespoon of olive oil to your pot. Just about there, about a tablespoon. And as soon as that's ready, we will be adding our chopped onions. All right? Okay, if we give it a little minute, we'll be adding the chopped onions to the hot oil. And as we discussed before, there are different tofus that you could use. Also, instead of using the regular season that might contain meat, we'll be using bouillon today in our food. If you're also interested in cutting down on sugar, you could switch to coconut sugar, which is absolutely lovely. Okay, I think the oil should be hot now, so if we just gently and carefully add the onions. And I think you try to keep it at medium heat. Just there. So your onions will take time to gently saute. Be very careful when stirring. As soon as your onions begin to sweat, then you could add your garlic. Oh, this is absolutely lovely. The smell, fabulous. If we just leave that to sweat for another few seconds, I put that spoon away. Then next we'll be adding is our tomato paste. Just a few more seconds. Ensure that the onion doesn't burn as well. Nice and sweat. Okay, now we'll be adding our tomato paste. And that's about a tablespoon or so, give and take, for your tomato paste. It's really depending on how you'd like it. If you like it very tomatoey, or just adding slight flavor. Okay. Some people like to add the dried powdered season to the mince. I prefer to add it to the pot while sweating the onions. So next we'll be adding the all-purpose seasoning. Just pour that in there. And also next the carrots. Yeah. What will follow is our peppers. And of course, you can add them in any sort of way that you like. It doesn't mean necessarily that one has to follow. Just ensure that they're all in there. Okay? We give that a little stir. I think that's a little bit too high, so I'll turn it down just a little bit more. Yeah. So everything is nicely coming together. Oh, this smells gorgeous. You can feel the health coming out of it. What we'll next add is our mince veggie mince. So we'll just add the whole packet to the mix. Just put everything in there. And just give that a stir. And remember also, you could do the mince from frozen, or you could leave it to thaw just a little bit before adding. You put that all together. Gently stirring. Ensure that everything is combined well. And then what we'll do now is to cover your mince and let it simmer slowly. While we're waiting, what we could then do is to bring together a half cup of bouillon. So we add about 3 teaspoons of bouillon powder with a half cup of warm water from the kettle. I'll just grab that. Here we have about a half cup. Stir that together. And then check on our mince, see how it's doing. So that's frying nicely. Ensure that it's not stuck to the pot, so you give it a little stir. And then very slowly just add your bouillon mix. Add the entire amount. And if you should need any more, according to what your pot looks like, then you could feel free to add a bit more. Most importantly, ensure that it's not stuck, or it's not sticking or burning. If you find the fire is too high, please remember, turn it down to ensure that your veggie mince is not sticking. Okay, that's looking lovely. So what I'll do, because mine is sticking a little bit, I'll add some more bouillon, about another, say, half cup. So in this recipe, we actually would use a whole cup, not half. But you could always adjust that according to what you're cooking. So we'll add the whole half cup. Brilliant, lovely. Then give that a stir. And then, importantly, adjust your flame. I've got these spots, they really absorb heat, so it needs to be really low. But remember, it's really depending on what you're using, and you'll be able to know whether or not you need to turn it down. So while that is continuing to cook, other few little herbs and spices that we'll add for final taste is a bit of oregano, chili powder, and black pepper. So we'll give it another few minutes, say about a minute or so, to simmer, and then we'll add our final touches to our very meatless veggie mince. Ensure that you're keeping an eye on your food. Obviously, you don't want it to burn. You want your food to be nice and ready for meal later. And also, you want to impress those people who are trying to switch from meat to meatless dishes. Okay? So try to ensure that your first attempt is good. But whatever you do, I'm sure it will be delicious. This mince is looking absolutely fantastic. Another thing that you could do is to bulk it up with beans. You could use red kidney beans, chickpeas, cannelloni bean, black eyed peas, just anything of your choice. Also, a bit of green lentils is usually very nice, and that gives it much more bulk. You get your fiber, you get your protein, you get your nutrients. So pretty much not missing meat. Okay? Let's see how our meatless dish is doing. I know some people really don't cook with tasting, but I do, because I need to make sure that it's spot on. So what I'll do now is just have a teeny little taste to see if there's any need for extra salt. As you notice, I added no salt because we're trying to keep it as healthy as possible. And in the bouillon, it's actually mentioned reduced salt, but there is also salt in it, but it's reduced. So we'll test to see if we need to add any more salt. So here we go. Ensure when you're tasting, of course, make sure you don't burn yourself. So let's have a little taste. Very nice. No salt needed. So let's carry on. What we could use though is a little bit of chili, but again, that's depending on your taste. But I like a little kick to my food. So it's time for that lovely chili. Just a little dash. Nothing overbearing, because we want the young ones to also enjoy our food. So we'll stir that in. Also, just add a little bit of oregano to give it lovely herby taste. Again, just a little dash. Or half a teaspoon. And also some black pepper. But because I've had the chili, I don't think it's quite necessary. So we leave that one out for now. But it's entirely up to you. I don't really like to over spice my food. Just enough for it to be completely delicious. I don't know about you, but I like a little bit of gravy in my food, so that if I'm having it with rice or say a pita bread, I've got a little bit of sauce to go with it. So what I'll do before we finish is to add just a little bit more warm water, just to have a little bit more gravy added to this meat. So I'll get some. Some mince can absorb a lot of water. So again, look at your cooking and make that judgment. But as I said, I like it a little bit more gravy. So here we are, adding up to another half cup of water. And now, I think that's nearly it. I'll leave that for another, say, 2 minutes. And we will be ready and done. And that's how easy it is to switch from cooking meat to meatless dishes. Okay, so here we have the finished product, our veggie mince. There are different ways that you could have your veggie mince. You could have it with a tortilla. You could choose the brown wheat version, or you could have it with rice, or some people don't mind to have it with chips, healthy oven baked chips. Pretty much anything of your choice. Just keep it healthy. All right? So now is for the test. Who'd like to try my very veggie mince? Here you go. Go ahead.
I'm very excited.
I can handle it. What's the verdict?
I can hardly taste the difference. It's very filling. It's a full, well-rounded meal.
Fantastic.
I feel like the tortilla wrap just adds that a bit of body.
Yep.
It just adds the mince alone is very filling, and the vegetables, the peppers. I feel like it's obviously a very healthy option, and the tortilla wrap just kind of brings it all together and just a wonderful meal.
And guys, this is a ardent meat eater, and I'm trying to encourage her to swap from meat even once per week. It doesn't have to be something that you're doing every day. Small, significant change wins the race. So, my lovely, wonderful daughter here, just enjoy my meat-free meal. And it's been a while. I've been trying to get her to eat it.
I have to say, it's not going to be hard.
It's not.
It's
because
really
you're
not.
loving it.
I love
Fantastic. And remember, swap it little bit at a time. From meat to meat-free. From egg to eggless. Just give it a go. You never know. You might like it. Thanks again for watching UKFC TV.